China has emerged as a formidable force in the global artificial intelligence (AI) landscape, challenging the dominance of American tech giants. One company at the forefront of this surge is DeepSeek, a Chinese AI startup that has sent shockwaves through the industry. DeepSeek's rapid advancements in AI technology, particularly its development of powerful and accessible large language models (LLMs), have raised concerns among American tech companies. The release of DeepSeek R1, an open-source LLM, has been a significant turning point. This model's capabilities rival those of leading American LLMs, yet it was developed using less advanced and fewer computer chips, challenging the notion of American technological supremacy. DeepSeek's success has led to a significant decline in the market value of American tech giants, particularly those heavily invested in AI. The accessibility and affordability of DeepSeek's models pose a direct threat to the business models of companies like Google and OpenAI. Investors are increasingly wary of the potential for disruption from Chinese AI companies, leading to a reassessment of valuations and investment strategies. DeepSeek's rise is part of a broader Chinese government initiative to become a global leader in AI. China has invested heavily in AI research and development, fostering a thriving ecosystem of AI startups and research institutions. The government's support, coupled with China's vast pool of talented engineers and access to massive datasets, has fueled rapid innovation in the AI sector. The emergence of China as a major player in AI has significant implications for the global tech landscape. 11 The competition between American and Chinese AI companies is likely to intensify, driving innovation and pushing the boundaries of what is possible with AI. However, it also raises concerns about intellectual property rights, data security, and the potential for geopolitical tensions to influence the development and deployment of AI technologies. DeepSeek's success highlights the growing influence of China in the global AI landscape. Its impact on the American tech market underscores the need for American companies to adapt and innovate to remain competitive. The future of AI will likely be shaped by the ongoing competition between these two tech superpowers.